The University of Niagara Falls, Canada Library. Research Skills Guide on Boolean Search Operators. Boolean search operators are simple words, such as and, or, and not, which are used in search engines and library databases to refine your searches. They help you narrow, broaden, or exclude specific results. Using these operators can improve your searching by allowing you to find exactly what you're looking for more efficiently. The and operator is used to make sure all the terms you include appear in the results. It helps narrow your search by only showing results that meet every condition, leaving out anything that's missing even one of the terms. This is great when you're looking for something specific. For example, a search for education and technology will return results that include both education and technology. This is overall useful when looking for content that combines multiple topics. The or operator helps you find results that match any of the terms you include. It widens your search by showing more options, as long as at least one of the terms is present. This is useful when you want to explore different possibilities or alternatives. For example, a search for biology or chemistry will retrieve results about biology, chemistry, or both. This operator is helpful for capturing a wider range of relevant content, such as when searching for synonyms or related topics. The not operator is used to leave out results that include specific terms. It helps you refine your search by filtering out anything you don't want to see, so you can focus on what's actually relevant to you. For example, the query dogs not poodles will return information about dogs, while excluding anything that mentions poodles. This is particularly useful for filtering out irrelevant information. With longer search strings, you may need to combine Boolean search operators. You can do this by either using parentheses, advanced search fields, or both. Parentheses are used in searches to group words and operators, so the search knows which part to process first. The terms inside the parentheses are handled together before anything else. This is helpful when trying to combine multiple operators in the same search, and keeps the search organized. For example, searching for dogs or cats and rabbits would give articles with the following combinations: dogs and rabbits, cats and rabbits, dogs, cats, and rabbits. Since we used the and operator for rabbits, this means every search result will have that keyword. Using or for dogs and cats means that these keywords may or may not be present in the results. Many databases, such as our UNF Advanced Search, has fields which allow you to select a Boolean search operator for your search. You can select which operator to use by clicking on the drop-down. As you type into the advanced search, it will make suggestions about related keywords that will be combined with Boolean search operators. You can use parentheses in this search as well. Thank you for watching our video guide on Boolean search operators. Visit our Research Skills Library Guide for additional research strategies and guidance. If you would further research help, you can always book a librarian consultation or email our librarians.